Network marketing is a business model where independent representatives sell products or services directly to consumers. It's a people-focused approach, often called relationship marketing or multi-level marketing or MLM. Instead of traditional advertising, network marketing relies on word-of-mouth referrals and personal networks. This business model offers a unique opportunity for individuals to become entrepreneurs with low startup costs. It allows you to set your own hours and be your own boss, providing flexibility and control over your income potential. Network marketing is about sharing products and services you believe in with others, building relationships and creating a network of like-minded individuals. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, hard work, and a commitment to personal growth. However, with the right mindset, skills, and support system, it can be a rewarding and lucrative business opportunity. As you embark on your network marketing journey, remember that success comes from building genuine relationships, providing value to others, and consistently working towards your goals. Embrace the journey, learn from experienced mentors, and stay focused on your vision. By mastering the fundamentals and staying true to ethical practices, you can create a successful and fulfilling network marketing business. Network marketing, like any other profession, demands a specific set of skills to excel. Effective communication is paramount. You must articulate the value of your products or services clearly and concisely, whether in person or online. Building rapport and trust with potential customers requires strong interpersonal skills. The ability to listen attentively, understand their needs, and offer solutions is crucial. Prospecting, the art of identifying potential customers or team members, is another vital skill. It involves networking, attending industry events, and leveraging social media to expand your reach. Mastering these skills will significantly enhance your ability to connect with people, build a strong network, and ultimately achieve success in your network marketing endeavors. Continuous learning and skill development are essential for long-term growth in this dynamic industry. Choosing the right company is crucial to your success in network marketing. Research potential companies thoroughly. Look for a company with a solid track record, ethical business practices, and high-quality products or services that you genuinely believe in. Consider the compensation plan and ensure it aligns with your financial goals. A supportive and well-established company will provide training, resources, and mentorship to help you succeed. Take the time to connect with current representatives and learn about their experiences. Aligning yourself with a company that resonates with your values and aspirations will contribute significantly to your long-term satisfaction and success in network marketing. Section 4. The power of relationships in network marketing. Network marketing thrives on relationships. Building and nurturing genuine connections with people is at the heart of this business model. Your network consists of potential customers, team members, mentors, and industry peers. Focus on building authentic relationships based on trust, respect, and mutual support. Engage with people genuinely, listen to their stories, and show a genuine interest in their lives. Provide value to your network by sharing helpful information, offering support, and celebrating their successes. Remember, network marketing is about connecting with people, not just selling products. Building strong relationships will lead to a more sustainable and rewarding business. Section 5 of personal development, the key to unlocking your potential. Personal development is not just a buzzword in network marketing, it's the cornerstone of long-term success. Invest in yourself by reading books, attending seminars, and learning from industry leaders. Develop your mindset, cultivate a positive attitude, and embrace continuous learning. Network marketing often pushes you out of your comfort zone, requiring resilience, self-belief, and a willingness to embrace challenges. Embrace these opportunities for growth, as they will shape you into a more confident and capable individual. Remember, your personal growth directly impacts your business growth. By investing in your development, you'll enhance your skills, expand your knowledge, and unlock your full potential as a network marketer. Section 6. Setting realistic goals for sustainable growth. Setting realistic goals is crucial for staying motivated and on track in your network marketing journey. Start with small, achievable goals that build momentum and confidence. Break down larger goals into smaller milestones, making them less daunting and more manageable. Focus on consistent effort rather than overnight success. Track your progress, celebrate your achievements, and learn from any setbacks along the way. Remember, network marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Set yourself up for success by setting realistic expectations, staying persistent, and focusing on making steady progress towards your long-term vision. Section 7. Overcoming challenges in network marketing. Challenges are inevitable in any business, and network marketing is no exception. You might encounter rejection, face skepticism from others, or experience periods of slow growth. It's essential to develop resilience, maintain a positive attitude, and view challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Surround yourself with a supportive network of mentors and like-minded individuals who can offer guidance and encouragement. Remember why you started your network marketing journey in the first place. Focus on your goals, stay persistent, and never give